welcome back. This is Shipra, and you all know we are these days enjoying Navratras. I am here with a new exciting DIY activity. I welcome you on behalf of Yellow Class. Yes, you can see something below on my workstation. But before we start, let me just tell you that we do something every time when we start our DIY activity. So let us learn to fly high with Yellow Class DIY. Yes, kids, we are going to make and decorate our own dandiyas to enjoy the dance tonight. So let me tell you what all things do you require. We require scissor, any fancy or decorative tape, acrylic colors, any color will do, take bright colors, anything for decoration, sellotape, bamboo stick or a broomstick, newspaper, because we will be making the rolls with the newspaper, ribbon, any color ribbon will do, glue, and you can, for decoration, you can use paper or even pom-pom balls, any colored pom-pom balls or even paper also. So we have everything available. Let us start making our own dandiyas and then we will decorate it, kids. So let us move. So take a paper, okay? Approximately 3 to 4 foldings is good enough. And the sizes of your dandiya should be somewhere around, you can say 7 to 8 inches or maximum 10 inches, not more than that. So we will just roll our dandiyas. What we are going to do, we are just simply going to roll it like this. And we are going to do a tight rolling, kids. So we are going to start like this. We will put the stick inside, take it to the corner. And kids, definitely we need glue for this. Or sellotape, I have told you. Okay. We'll just simply start rolling it. Very tightly, very thin. It should be very tight and very small, thin rolling as we roll our newspapers, or sometimes we roll our big chart papers also, but we have to do a tight rolling, kids. Okay. Just take care that you are doing the rolling tight. Okay. Very tight and slow rolling we are going to take care. You can fold this, any twist which is coming in between, you can remove it, or even you can cut the sheet also. Okay. So this part we'll cut later on. This is a little thin from this side and thick from this side. That's all. We will be just doing this much. So our roll is ready. Okay. And we will push the stick inside. Okay, that's fine. cut the newspaper. We want to cut the newspaper, you can cut it, or we can increase the size, but I'm cutting it from here now, and we will from little far we will cut the newspaper. And cutting is just a random cutting. We are not taking care of anything because nothing will be much will be visible later on. Okay. And we'll use the sellotape. Kids, I am making dandiya for you guys only. So I'm making small dandiya and I'm making thin dandiya. Okay. I'm not making a very thick dandiya. A very tight sellotape will be applied, and this is we are just applying sellotape. Okay, and this way we stick them together. Okay, so this extra part we'll remove, and we remove this extra part also. So I can tell you it is approximately around 40 centimeters. We can even just fold it like this, and I have not cut it. You can cut it or you can just fold it also like this, and we'll apply tape. Now here also we will just put little sellotape. Okay, so our the places which are open, we can apply glue, or we can even put tape. What I have done, I have put sellotape, and this is approximately 40 centimeter. You can even make of 35 to 40 centimeters. So that wooden thin also I have left it inside, and I have, you can remove it also, but I have not removed it. So we will be requiring colors. We will be requiring acrylic colors, kids. Any colors which you like, you can use. Use bright and vibrant colors because it should look beautiful. So I'm taking a purple color and orange color. As my ribbon is of green color, so the ribbon will go at the end, and I'm doing half. This half I'm doing purple, this I'm doing orange. Acrylic colors, kids, because acrylic colors will cover the newspaper nicely. So I have just marked my things that I will do till here only. Okay, orange. If need, we will do 2 coatings. If we feel the requirement, if our newspaper is visible from down, we will do 2 coatings, kids. So we'll make 2 rolls like this. Exactly same the way I have told you, the same rolling. And we leave it for drying for some time. Okay. And we will take the other color so that, but we have to just wait for some time to dry it. Okay. So we just wait for some time, just few minutes. Or what we can do, I'm taking purple and I'm doing the other side also. Just take care the inner portion of the newspaper, the inside is not visible at all. So if you are taking a light color, you need to do a double coating, kids. Exactly same way you are going to make one more dandiya. You can color it, roll it, color it. We will wait for this to dry, this portion, because I have to look for a position from where I can hold. Okay, it's wet right now. Wherever newspaper is visible, we will do the coating again of the color. So wherever you are seeing that little paper is coming out, we are again going to use that silver tape, and that will again tighten our things. So that's why I have used little less tape, because I know I'm going to use the silver tape again. And we will keep it for drying for some time. Okay. So now our things are ready. They are dry. We will just do the decoration part. So we'll just simply do the silver taping on it. Okay, with little gap in between. So at the beginning, I am doing little more so that it looks good. Okay, so this is the top. Then we'll start rotating it. Okay. Something went wrong with my tape. Okay. So this is the top, and then we'll start like this. Okay, like this. You just leave little space in between. Okay, and taking care, we rotate it nicely. So any silver tape is good. Any other things you have is also good, which is available for the decoration. Kids, we have to be very careful that our paint dries completely. Okay. I'm just using this silver tape, which was available, is easily available in the market. Okay, and you can use anything. You can use ribbon also. You can use some paper which is colored, some colored papers you can use. And now again from here also I will do my taping properly. So when we are making the roll, we have to be very careful that we make a tight roll. The reason I have just left my the wooden stick inside, in case the roll is thin, the wooden stick will allow it to remain thick. That broomstick. Okay. This taping I have done it nicely, and we cut from here. And you can see now if you want to put anything like this, I'm just using very less. So these beads are also available in the market easily, kids. Okay, this side we are, because it will show as if we have done on both the sides, we have sticked it like this. So you can see that it's coming like this. Okay, now this one also I can use red, but I'm using green on the purple one. So I have sticked it diagonally. So whatever is with you, you can use that. for decoration. Okay. Just keep the side like that only when you are sticking, so that when you see they come exactly at one side. Okay. So my paint was little left. It was not still dried properly. Now what I have done, if now I will show you one more which I have already done, the two. Yes, this is simple. I have done earlier, the bigger ones, and I have used the golden tape and these mirrors. Okay, so you can see here I have used these mirrors and golden tape. Here I have used silver tape and these beads. So whatever is available with you, you can just check and you can use that. At the end here, what are we are going to do? Here I have made these flowers with paper only. I will show you one flower, but this time I am not using it here. So we'll just do a little wrapping. We can leave it also like this because we have done the tape also. So we can leave it that way also, filling this area also. But I am putting my green ribbon and will leave it for as a hanging kind of a thing. So this way, kids, you can make two dandiyas by just rolling the paper and decorating the way you are comfortable with. If you don't have tape, you can even use this ribbon also in the center. So just rotate it nicely and then you can stick it. For the hanging part, I am going to tell you. Just cut it and leave it for some time. Okay, now let me just quickly tell you what I have taken. What I have done, I've taken a small circle from a paper. I've cut a small circle, and as we make a cone, kids, as we make a cone, I have just made a cone like this. Okay, and I have just sticked it like this. Done. One cone is ready. I have made 3. You can make 2, you can make 4, you can make as many as you want. Even you can use pom-poms. I have not used pom-poms, but you can even use pom-pom. Pom-poms are also available. We can even make it at home, but easily available in the market. So our cone is ready. Now what we'll do, we'll take this ribbon of ours. See that it sticks properly to the perfect. And we'll tie a bow kind of a thing. And see, we'll stick it like this. Okay, if it goes inside, that's good enough. Leave this like this only and we'll stick our so we leave it for drying. And it is ready. So you could have left it like a silver with the tape also without doing anything. I have just, this will take little time to kids stick, but it will be ready. You can just give the little finishing touch according to your things and you can make it. I have left it as an opening that the bells are there. Here I have made 3 and golden tape, silver beads, anything which you have for decoration. Don't think you don't have beads, you don't have something, you can use it. You can use papers, you can use small cuttings of paper. Even if you don't have, even if you feel I want to make something silverish, you can use aluminum foil. You can cut small rings and you can stick that also. And this is how you can enjoy your dandiyas. You can use your dandiyas and enjoy your dance tonight. I hope the instructions were clear. It was easy. I have made one. You can make one more same by rolling the paper and then decorating it. So kids, enjoy Navratras. Be happy, be safe. Main thing. Enjoy, but be safe. So we are going to come up with more exciting sessions of DIY. This is time to say goodbye. We are going to meet soon, kids. Thank you for watching this video. Do share your pictures. Do share your comments. Bye-bye.